Hey there guys, so I had a couple pieces of 3/4 inch PVC sitting around and I decided to make a stand-up mic stand for my microphone. Everything actually went together really well, like no problems whatsoever with the design. First prints all worked, which was really nice. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to keep it at my desk because it didn't quite catch on the jaws of my vise here, but I decided to make a little clamp and screw that onto the vise and that worked just fine. I will say that the 3/4 inch PVC is really not stiff enough. It bounces around a lot, and I have some pieces of EMT conduit sitting around that I might just use instead. I might just swap it out. It is 1/2 inch, but frankly it's probably more sturdy than this PVC. Overall though, it actually worked out quite fine. As you can see, I can actually position it a little bit higher, a little bit lower just by flipping it over. And as I got done here, I plugged in the microphone and found out that my microphone had died.